has come, and the land is dark, and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. Oh, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by.
This is our breakfast. And we will check the condition when we reach. Hi guys, we have got the scooty and now Digila, Debbie, say hi. Wait. Hi guys, we have reached to our location, but sadly it's raining, and please look at the location. It's so pretty. So pretty. Look at this stream. Hi. Hello. Hello. We have ordered Maggie and tea to eat. It's so cold here, but it's fine. I hope the rain stops. Hello. Hi. The size of the cup is also so big.
Oh my god, I can't wait to get down there.
It's tea time. And the tea and the drink tea with us. Drink tea. Drink tea with us. Drink tea.
You put it like that, okay? Drink tea with us in the lake like that.
Yeah.
After that was again.
안녕하세요. 먹방.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
유미루니? 와. 라면 만들어 보세요.
We are walking. We are going to the cave. Come slowly.
But the thing is, we can go down. I don't know.
On a mission to get down.
It's so high, okay?
Will you try to come up? No, let's see.
Okay, it's so high.
Yeah, you try to come up, no?
Gone.
Gone.
Gone. We can take it for a ride.
No, first try. I can't reach. What if that thing only comes off?
Yeah, good job, okay?
Try.
I wish the weather was nice. It's so pretty. Guys, let's ask everyone how they felt after this. How do you feel? How did you enjoy or not? Yeah, very much.
It was so good. You guys
Wait, the lighting here is nice. What about you?
I enjoyed so much. I like the waterfall.
And our stomach is also fun.
And then nobody wants to be guys.
Wow.
I want to be so much.
Guys, this is Heunambe cave. And I fell down. And please show them. Please, I'll show you my outfit. I don't know if you can see, but and my outfit has become so bad, and my whole appearance has become so bad. Guys, this place is so pretty. And please look at this stream. This is the stream. And we came all the way from this shortcut. This one doesn't have what happened?
Keep going.
Sit. Hi guys, we are going to eat now. We have cake, chicken lollipop, fried rice. Sorry.
Chicken fried rice. Fried rice.
Chips and watermelon.
Watermelon is here.
And we have Sprite. Yeah, we are going to eat. Let's take first bite of the cake.
Yeah. One, two.
1, 2,
Cake
murder. 1, 2, 3, go.
Attack!
Let's do cheers now. Cheers.
Wait! Give them also. Now our turn.
It's raining, but still we are enjoying it. Bye.
Oh.
Look here also, no. We are giving this watermelon to the catchers, but then they are running away.
Wait, they're all there.
Fast, they are getting inside the water. Guys, we'll be leaving now. I'll see you guys in the hostel. Guys, it's so cold. Guys, it's so cold. It's freezing cold, and all our clothes are wet. And these two just arrived. One's okay. So cold. Becky, we are coming for you. Birthday today, and so she told me to come have dinner with her, and I'll have dinner with her and then go to sleep. I'm so tired, and the journey was pretty nice. The trip was pretty nice. The only saddest part was it rained, and then it rained, and so like all our plans didn't go well, but it's fine. We enjoyed, and yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, bye bye. See you in my next vlog. Bye.